we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
When it comes to selecting which HDMI port to use for which device, there are only a few simple things to keep in mind. Finally, while any port will get the job done for older HDMI-capable devices, you will absolutely want to be sure you're using best port on your HD TV if you have a newer device capable of 4K input.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.